Recently, This Is Money received an email from a reader which started, "You need to have a section dedicated to crypto technology and currencies." This is now a market exploding with ICOs, new currencies daily, technological advancements and a market worth over $550 billion. The technology is the biggest technological leap since the founding of the internet. It highlights just how quickly the cryptocurrency phenomenon has exploded in recent months, and how much some investors believe in the technology. You can read our at-a-glance roundup of some of them here. Recent activity and price swings have shown just how volatile the world of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Co. are. Some coins fell by 25% in one day. A huge whack for any investor, experienced or otherwise. Nevertheless, many readers are asking how they can get their hands on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies safely and securely, and importantly, how they can sell if they want to take profits. However, it is the Wild West out there. So let's start with the warnings. As mentioned above, digital currencies are volatile and not for the faint-hearted. You should read our Bitcoin box below. Yes, there are plenty of stories about how people have become rich investing in Bitcoin at the start, and some self-titled experts are saying this is the best new financial investment you can make. But there have also been plenty of grumbles about it, including from stalwart U.S. investor Warren Buffett, while the Financial Conduct Authority has also warned about the dangers of investing in Bitcoin. According to analysis by digital breadth firm Ristic, the world's top app stores are hosting more than 600 blacklisted Bitcoin apps which leave users open to hackers. It looked at 18,408 apps across 20 app stores, including Apple and Google Play. It found a staggering 661 to be blacklisted by official cybersecurity vendors, but still available for download by users. Hackers behind the malicious apps, which have been blacklisted by one or more cybersecurity vendors, can trick users into handing over large sums of money or personal details for financial gain. The rise in unofficial and potentially malicious apps across multiple app stores will alarm potential investors looking to buy into Bitcoin, and highlights that you need to be on your guard. Before handing over any cash or personal data, investors should carry out thorough research into the exchange and wallet apps they intend to use. If you plan to buy cryptocurrency in 2018, you must arm yourself with as much knowledge as possible to avoid the con. Search engine data shows that queries for buy Bitcoin outstripped buy gold in the latter part of 2017. This Is Money data showed just how many people have been searching some of the most popular digital currencies. The price of Bitcoin surged from around $1,000 at the start of the year to near the $20,000 mark in December, bringing it to the attention of the British public. To get a cryptocurrency, you need a wallet. This is where the digital currency lives. Because it is a relatively new financial craze, it is hard to say which firms offering wallets are reputable while a number have disappeared or lost customers' cash, including Mountain. Docs in 2014. Meanwhile, in 2016, a hack saw the Bitfinex exchange platform lose 120,000 Bitcoin. One of the biggest websites to deal in Bitcoin is Coinbase, an online exchange, which also has a wallet option. It has a user-friendly app and two-factor authentication. Another is blockchain.info, which is similar to Coinbase. They are both backed with millions in venture capital funding. Visit Coinbase.com, Signif and Blockchain. Info to find out more. However, it only deals with the most familiar digital currencies. If you want to invest in an obscure one, it is much harder, as we explain below. Two of the most popular brokers are Coinify and Coinbase, mentioned above. Meanwhile, a firm called London Block Exchange, based in Canary Wharf, is soon to launch, allowing people to buy and spend 5 online currencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Monero, and Ripple, which will be linked to a Visa debit card. If you buy Bitcoin, for example, you will need to hand over your unique key. This is an identifier that represents your account and is different from your wallet login. It should be easy to find within the details of your account. Brokers will ask for this address to make a transaction. When it comes to selling, there should be no issues selling a mainstream coin such as Bitcoin. You can use the same broker you bought it from, and it will involve them giving you another key to send your Bitcoin to from your wallet. Once the transaction is confirmed, you should receive your cash. Remember, some of these exchanges can crash unexpectedly. For instance, Kraken, the 5th largest cryptocurrency exchange, was out of service for 2 days earlier in the month after scheduled maintenance that was supposed to take 2 hours. He says his June investment saw ripple at 22 cents a coin, but this fell to 10 cents not long afterwards, testing his nerve at the very beginning. Eventually it rose, and he was confident to make another investment in December, when the coin went to 38 cents a coin. By mid-January, it rose to a record high near $4 a coin, and Alex said his account had grown to 34,000 euros. It's measured in euros as it is Slovenian-based, from roughly 4,000 euros invested. He said on one train journey home, his account had collapsed from 34,000 euros to 25,000 euros, as investors began to panic. He believes the price went up after rumors that Ripple was heading to Coinbase, one of the main crypto players, meaning more people could invest, thus driving up the price. However, the firm issued a statement saying this wasn't the case, and it led to a bloodbath. So, was it easy to cash out? Alex says it was. He sold 8,000 XRP, making a tidy profit and taking away his exposure. This was sold within seconds on the site to eager investors. It has left him with 12,000 XRP that he plans to keep hold of. Currently, it has stabilized to around $1.15 a coin. He says Bitstamp charge 0.24% for buying and selling. The cost, he says, of selling was €9 in fees. It was also warned that it would take up to 3 working days to arrive in his account. It took 2.WD asked whether his bank had been in touch regarding any suspicious activity, given the amounts of money being transferred and having been received overseas. He says he hasn't. A raft of case studies recently in the Financial Times revealed problems cashing out their profits, with some banks suspicious of where customers had received huge sums. The Financial Conduct Authority warned against betting on the currency using CFDs in November. They are complex financial instruments which allow novice investors to guess whether the price will go up or down. Hunters could lose up to 50 times their deposit if they get it wrong, meaning they could rapidly rack up huge debts. The FCA said CFD traders are at risk of suffering significant losses and potentially losing more than you have invested. Many may believe Bitcoin may have peaked or reached a point in which they cannot make some of the astronomical gains made by early investors. As such, they want to take a punt on a lesser-known coin. There is plenty of them. This is Money recently signed up to New Zealand-based website Cryptopia to see a list of what is available. It was huge.TWO that are being tipped to grow this year from a low level by a panel of 4 fintech leaders for price comparison website Finder and a cryptocurrency prediction survey are Cardano, ADA, and Stellar Lumens, XLM. They claim that Cardano, a third-generation digital currency, will rise by more than 8,000% this year from 78 cents a coin to $68. However, getting your mitts on the coin as a speculative punt is not as easy as it seems. Hardly any of the aforementioned brokers or wallets cater for the smaller currencies, only the main players such as Bitcoin. When we searched how to buy Cardano UK, a step-by-step guide said we needed to download software for the wallet and own Ethereum to get the coin. We're not sure how many people would be comfortable downloading software onto their computers or phones from sources they do not know. With the deadline for tax returns fast approaching, many may not know whether or not to declare it, and the HMRC guidelines are a little fuzzy. So is it an investment, meaning capital gains tax is payable on gains above £11,300? This is 18% for basic rate income taxpayers and 28% for higher rate taxpayers. Or should it be treated as gambling, which means profits are tax-free? An HMRC spokesman says, "We don't normally tax betting and gambling because it is usually not classed as trading income." But there may be circumstances where factors such as the degree of skill and organization would make the activity more likely to be taxable as trading income. Each case will depend on its own facts.